Hello, my name is Bheshaj and I am going to explain my summer internship project. So first we visit IBM Cloud official page. This is the IBM Cloud official page as we see on the screen. So as you can see, I already have an account, so I just going to signing in. If you don't have account, so first sign up, then you are able to signing in. So after signing in, we are having IBM Cloud dashboard. So it looks like this. Now we are going to see Watson Assistant. As I have already made Watson Assistant, so I am just going to open it. This is the launchpad of Watson Assistant. So these are the place where we can create new assistant. As I have already created my first assistant, so then I am going to open it. It looks like that. My assistant name customer care. So now we are going to visit intents. There are some intents which are seen on the screen. Now there are entries. These are the dialogue. So there are many options, we can go through all this. This is the webhook. This is very important. We later use this. So now we are going to see discovery. I have already made discovery N6, so we are going to visit this. So this is the launchpad of Watson Discovery. So as we can see, there is two options are there: upload your data, connect data source, Watson Discovery News, and manual. So we go into manual part. This is used for training the document so that it can give answer to our queries. So now visit configuration of data. The first is the identify field, where we train this with data. So as you can see, there are many options are there, like answer, author, footer, title, text, etc. And we select what we need, like in this I select title, and these are contain table of content. We can also done it with the help of colors. We can simply understand it better. So this I am going to show all the data by which I used for training purpose. These are the options. So the option we need to put it on and remain other off. And these are the field for managing and enrich field. and there are many options are there which can search and know better about this. Then we can see it manually also, as I am going to. These are the options there. This is used for searching purpose. We can put here customize query, like I am going to put, please see it. This is used for checking the efficiency of our chatbot. This is the JSON file. We can put many query also. There are many options are there, which I am going to show. Now next step is function. Function are collection of cloud function which are used to integrate the discovery and the assistant. As we see, there are actions. As I already made actions named cloud, so I am just going to open it. Okay. So there are some coding stuffs which I write there. There are some parameters like URL, environment ID, which is very helpful. And now I am going to show you. This is the ID which I talked earlier, and this is the webhook there. As I said previously, webhook very important part. So we are enabling web actions. And this is our webhook ID. There are some lot of options are there which you can search by your own and know better. Now I am going to show you Node-RED. This is the URL of my Node-RED. This is the interface. So here we can see some functions are there, as I have already created all the functions. So I am just going to show you the remaining process. Like this is my assistant, which are following things. So there are other options also which you can understand how it works. And now we are going to deploy it. You can see the message box successfully deployed. It means we can move further. Now this is our bot. So we can put some queries and see whatever result we get. I put there some simple query and it gives me correct answers. So you can put query according to your need and check this out. So we are going to end it. This is all about my project. Thank you for watching.